Stop scrolling and listen to me for a while. If you are watching this, you have already done something that 90% of people never do. You started and today you reached day 10. That means you are not weak. You are consistent. You are very serious to improve your speaking skills. Hello everyone. Welcome to SAR English and I'm your friend Ahmed. I'm from Surat, Gujarat, India and you are watching day 2 of my English speaking challenge. Today is not a normal day. Today is day 10 and I'm proud of you because you are still consistent. You know, many people start but they quit. They say, I will start tomorrow. I'm too busy today. My English is bad, not so good. But you are here and you are still improving your English and speaking English day by day. You are not giving up. That's so good. It simply means that you choose growth over comfort. Now let me tell you something. Your English didn't change in 10 days, but you changed. Now you must be trying thinking in English. You must be trying to speak English. And now you are less scared and you are more confident than earlier. So this is the real progress and that's what you need every day. Now I'm going to tell something and you have to repeat after me. I'm learning. Now it's your turn. I'm learning. I'm improving. I'm not afraid of mistakes. I will speak English daily. Now again, say another lines. I will not quit. I will not quit. I will not quit. I know some of you may feel like I'm slow, I'm not good, I make many mistakes. But listen, mistakes means you are trying. If you are not trying, it means that you are not growing up. And silence means you are scared. So it is better to make mistakes rather than being silent. And I want you to be brave. So be brave. Don't be coward. So from today, every day, say 5 sentences about your day. For example, I wake up early in the morning. I do my household chores in the morning. Then I get ready for office. So in this way, you can describe your surrounding and tell something whatever you do about your day. This simple habit will change your English a lot. So if you completed 10 days with me, I want to see you. I want to see your power. So like this video, subscribe to SAR English and share this video with your friends to help them out. And comment day 10 completed because your comment is equal to your commitment. You are not here by chance. You are here by choice because you are here. Your future self needs you and you want to improve your English. That's why you are here. And I would like to promise you that if you don't quit, if you don't give up, then English will not defeat you. If you remain consistent, then you will defeat English. So this is day 10. Day 20 will shock you and day 30 will change you. So be consistent up till you don't reach day 30. So see you in day 11. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you. Keep speaking, keep improving.